everyone, it's Sammy from Sammy's Sweet Life, and today I'm going to talk about February goals. I will walk you guys through my January progress in a separate video. I just want to talk about the goal setting side of things. I have found that having a set number on it has just been a game changer for me. I love being able to set a number and achieve the number, and it gives me a goal to work towards, whereas in the past, I said things like, I want to make sure I keep up with my album. Like for instance, I want to finish all of January within the month of February, and it's more like qualitative goals versus like a quantitative goal. Like now I say, I want to complete 2 layouts a week, 1 card a week, and it's a set goal. I can break it down into that weekly goal, and just having the number has made so much difference. I just want to talk a little bit about the goal setting side of things and tell you guys what's in store for February. I have a number goal for how many scrapbook layouts and how many cards. I still have to get the last couple of cards made for this month, but overall I've been really good about doing that. And so I feel like overall I did pretty good for January. Where I fell down on this goal setting was blogging everything. I'm just not caught up with blogging all of the projects that I made in the actual month of January. So I still have to work on that. I gotta up my game and add in a little bit more blogging time into my routine. It's still one of those things where I'm like, I'm blogging when I feel like I have a free moment to actually like dedicate to something. The blogging has really come secondary, and I don't have it like mixed into my routine really well. In the morning when I drop Olivia off from school, I tend to work on editing, and I have like a set routine of things. And if I have some extra time that's a child-free time and I feel like actually working on something, then I will work on the blogging. And so it's just kind of thrown in and not really given its own prioritized moment. So I'm gonna really try to work on that in the month of February, just to find a dedicated place where every day I will work on the blogging side of things and knock out a blog post instead of making it like the last step and the last thought. And as far as my scrapbook goals, it's the same goal, 2 layouts and 1 card a week, and this is going to be a 4-week month, so we've got 8 layouts and 4 cards on the list, and I want to blog all of those. So that means I plan on having 12 project blog posts, and I also want to film 1 to 2 videos a week, so that's somewhere between 4 and 8 videos. I'm pretty sure most weeks I did 2 videos per week, which is awesome. I'm really trying to get back into the swing of the scrapbook world, and that's been really fun. Especially with the no spend year, I find that I'm creating a lot more because I'm not concentrating on buying things. And I have 2 more little goals on this list. So one is to print all the completed Project Life layouts. I did end up finishing my December daily. I just have to get those layouts printed, and I am caught up through this week in January for my Project Lifestyle pages. I just need to get all those printed. Oh, I also have a few weeks. There were like 5 weeks. They were the end of September and into October. I didn't have those weeks filled in yet, and I finished those Project Life pages as well. So I've got lots of Project Life pages to print. I'm planning on doing that in February. We were under a strict no spend January, so I will incorporate that into the budget for February. It's a really simple thing. Just to have the number set has been really great, and I feel like I'm getting back into the swing of things, and I really enjoyed that. And that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and make sure you let me know what your February goals are. Leave those in the comment section down below, and we can discuss further down there. I hope you guys have a great day. Happy goal setting, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.